open up your Midjourney Discord in your web browser. Now go to the Midjourney bot given at the top left side of the screen. Now, a new window appears by clicking on the Midjourney bot button. As you can see the prompts of other people with their respective generated results. As you can see, a generated result of the prompt, a couple in medieval clothing standing together. Now click on the search bar and type Imagine Prompt. After that, write your prompt in the prompt section given next to /imagine. You can write your own prompt, but for now, I am just copying the prompt. After that, paste your prompt here in the prompt section. Now you can also make changes to your prompt according to your preferences. So here, I am going to add stable diffusion at the end of the prompt because that is how it works. Now it will generate the image of your prompt. After that, open up Stability AI in a new tab. This is another website that you can use to create stable diffusion. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.